If you're looking to up your Instagram game by posting to multiple accounts at once, this video is for you. In this video, you'll learn how to quickly and easily post to multiple accounts without having to log in and out each time. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to save time and impress your followers in no time. First of all, let's open up the Instagram application and then make sure you are logged into all of your Instagram accounts that you want to post to. To do that, tap on your profile picture icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap on this downward pointing arrow at the top. Tap on Add Account. And then tap on Log into Existing Account. Now you can log into your other accounts. As you can see, I have logged into a total of 4 Instagram accounts on this device. So let's say I want to post a photo to all of these Instagram accounts at once. It's really easy to do. Simply tap on the plus icon at the top right, and then select Post. And then go ahead and select the image that you want to post. You can select one from your gallery or take one right now. After that, tap on the arrow icon at the top right corner of the screen. And you can add filters to this if you want to. So now because I'm logged into my other Instagram accounts, you can see that under the Post to Other Instagram Accounts option, it shows all of my other Instagram accounts. So now, in order to post this photo to those accounts, simply toggle this on. Tap Continue. Tap Yes, Finish Setup. Tap Continue. Tap Add. Tap Continue. Tap Add. Once you've toggled on all of them, tap on the check mark at the top right corner of the screen, and now this image will be posted to those other accounts as well. So that's how you post to multiple Instagram accounts at once. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.